Hey everybody, it's Streamline Steamroller. So, you saw my other video with the one AND gate 2 input calculator. I'm kind of into electronics. So, I've spent, a few hours here kind of supersizing that. What it is a 4 input 2 sub answer, 1 answer sort of calculator. So what this does is that inputs, so basically this is an input for an OR gate, this is the input for an OR gate, this is the outcome of the, this one is the outcome of this OR gate, this one is the outcome of this OR gate, and these two are combined to make the answer, are combined in an AND gate to make your final answer. Just like that. So anywho, as you can see, I don't have those clunky relays on there anymore, and I kind of miss the sound of them, but they're clunky, they're big, and, I'd actually need 6 of these if I were to do this with the relay method. So what I've actually done is use the drop resistor method. How it works is that you have a resistor, in my case, hooked up to ground, or 0, so that it's always feeding in 0. Even though it's a resistor, but, any size resistor works. I'm using 100 kilo ohm, but, yeah, anything will work. So, anywho, so this goes in, it's still feeding at 1, still feeding at 0 through the resistor, but then when I go ahead and hit a switch, it inputs positive, which equals to a 1, and that, well, the resistor keeps the circuit from shorting, and it also sort of overrides the 0 circuit, the 0 coming out of here. So it inputs it as a 1. And it's simpler. I don't have to use these relays. Smaller, more compact, whatever you want to call it. But anywho, let's go ahead and run a sample program. Let's go ahead and input data as... See, that LED is not lit all that well. Sorry about this camera. There you go. Sorry, that LED is not very bright. So we'll input 0... my bad. We'll input 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay? Then this is my calculate switch. I found this at Fry's, and I thought it was so cool, so I just had to use it. Go ahead, calculate. And what we have here is here's our input. 1, 0, 1, 0, our sub-answers 1, 1, and our answer 1. Just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and reset the whole circuit. Like that. Let's go ahead and input 1, 1, 0, 0. Calculate. Sub-answer is 1, 0, sub-answer is 1, 0, answer is 0. Those are just some sample programs that you can do with it. It's technically not a computer because it doesn't have memory, but someday it might have memory. Maybe someday. But, anywho, so I've decided to call this thing the Germ because I remember when I first wanted to make a little calculator computer with a breadboard was in biology class, and we were learning about cells and eukaryotic cells, and prokaryotic cells. And we were just on prokaryotic cells, so I thought, oh, the Germ. That's what I'm going to call it. So this is the Germ Mark 1. And, well, it works. I'm planning to add on to it, but anywho. So yeah. I'm Streamline Steamroller. See you in my next video. Y'all have a good day. God bless.